Hey everyone, so I am back. It is 10:17 in the morning. I am in the driver's seat today. I'm not a passenger. I have just come into town, been doing some of my shopping, and I've got to go to Asda yet, and do my food shopping, etc. So I've got quite a lot to do, and then I'm going to go home and do a fun video for you all because I've been promising you one all week and unfortunately run out of time. It was a bit of a weird weekend this weekend. Charming got an awful lot of his things checked off his list. I have made a huge list for the wedding and so much more to do. Start my diet today, which there'll be more about that later, which will be quite interesting for you to see. Yes, I need to trim down for the wedding. It was 2 months yesterday that we leave. It's not 2 months till the 27th that we get married, but we go on the 22nd to start our wedding week, 2 weeks, honeymoon, etc. So 2 months, I need to slim down, need to lose at least half a stone, and I'll show you how I'm trying to achieve that later. I'm in the middle of town in the car park, so I better, suppose, get on and yeah, go and get my Asda shopping done, and then I will be back later to say hi to you all. Okay everyone, so I promised you that I would be back to show you what I'm doing to lose weight. I'm trying to lose about half a stone and feel better in myself before the wedding. And you know, I had read about the celery detox, celery juice detox. It's not so much a diet, it's more about, you know, feeling better in yourself. Celery is very good for inflammation, it's very good for IBS, so bloating. I know who wants to be bloated on their wedding. It's also supposed to be good for better skin. My skin's not very good, so this is what I'm doing. You have 1 glass of celery juice every day. Now I did start this last week and I did do it for 3 days. The first day wasn't so bad, it tastes a bit, but it wasn't so bad. The second day I couldn't cope with it. I did drink it but I didn't enjoy it. So now I add an apple and half a lime to it, and this will make a 16-ounce cup of juice. It actually makes a little bit more because it's got the apple and the lime in it. Now you don't have to have a juicer, you can blend it and then strain it. Works just as good. I have a juicer, so I'm going to go and juice this baby and I will be back. Okay, so I am back and this is what it makes. Like I said, it is more than sort of 16 ounces, but with the apple and, you know, with the apple and the lime, it does make more. So this is it. And I tell you something as well, I went into town today and I bought a dress for the honeymoon. It's not my honeymoon, well, it was the honeymoon dress, but it's going out dress, and it didn't fit. It was too tight, and I came home, and before I tried the dress on, I put these in the toaster, 2 crumpets. I was going to have them with butter and eat them all. I was starving. Instead, I made my juice. Now, it said you are supposed to have it first thing in the morning, but I just presume if you have it any time of the day, it would help. But I am going to try and have it first thing in the morning. Now, like I said, the first day when I just had celery, it was a bit horrible with the lime and the apple. It's really quite nice. Actually getting really used to it now. What I'll do is I'll keep you updated on how I'm feeling. It's supposed to help you sleep, help with tummy problems, etc. And let's see if my skin looks better in a week or 10 days. You'll have to be the judge of it. Look, my skin's awful. I have so many wrinkles, and it's supposed to make your face glow. Could be miracle juice, so we'll see. So I'm going to go and drink my juice, and then it is actually quite nice with the apple and the lime. I really quite like it now. but I'm hoping it will help with the inflammation and the pain and that more than anything, because travelling does affect me, and you know, being up and about more than normal as well. So we'll see. So I'll keep you posted. Celery juice detox, yummy yum.